guys, today we are going to make a creamy fruit salad. It is so healthy, tasty and yummy. So you can use any fruits for this. So here I am taking one apple, 4 strawberries about 100 grams, one pomegranate, one orange, one kiwi. So we will cut these fruits into small pieces. Then I am taking grapes and cutting it also to two pieces. Add this to a bowl. Now we are taking 100 grams of dates and also cutting them in small pieces. We need to de-seed before cutting. Then I am taking 50 grams of fresh cream. Now we are adding it to the bowl and we will mix it nicely. Then we are adding black salt. Then again mixing. Now we can add some fruits to decorate it. It is looking so beautiful and yummy tasty. I can't wait more to have it. Serve it immediately for the better and great taste. It is nutritious, healthy and tasty. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel.